Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to work in a project which is a real project. One of my friend asked me to draw a mosque plan for their community, so let's start and do it. So I'm going to click on start drawing. Of course you guys pro, you know. You are not new here, and I'm just gonna set up a new environment. So F8 and no, F8 I need, so I don't like the grid. F7 to take out the grid. I don't like this UCS icon, so UCSICON, enter, OFF, enter, it's gone. Control A, delete, nothing is there to delete. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna save as this file, which is drawing 1. I don't want to keep it drawing 1. Control S, and let's go to my D drive, AutoCAD 2021. Okay, and this one is mosque plan. Save. Here you go, our name is come here and there, mosque plan. So they ask me for the dimension, which is let's find out. They gave me a dimension. My friend actually called me and gave me a dimension. Let's see what can I find here. Here it is. So the name is maybe a little difficult for you to read. Actually, this is how it's named of their area. So dimension is 60 feet by 40 feet. They want 5 sob inside, mean 5 line, 5 qatar, however you say it, and then 3 sob outside, and then they want a minar and a stair. So minimize this, maximize that, and 60 feet by 40 feet. So you're gonna draw a rectangle. Before that, we're gonna go and set up some unit and everything. So click on the unit, go to which is engineering. I'm gonna choose engineering, select 0 feet 0 inch. Okay, click format again, text style. Okay, aerial is selected, height is let's make it 5 inch. Apply, close, go to the dimension D, enter, 4 dimension style manager, go to the modify, click on primary unit, decimal is engineering, 0 feet 0 inch, and line symbol here is arrow, let's make it 3 inch. Text is 5 inch selected, and I think I'm good. Okay, set current, close, DLI, enter just for test. Yeah, it's good. Now I'm going to draw the space 60 feet by 40 feet. REC, enter, click, D, enter, 60 feet, enter, 40 feet, enter, click. So here it is. This is the area of mosque. Now I'm gonna break it down actually, because if it is like a square, it's gonna be a little hard for me to work, because this one okay, let's start with let's break it down. Select it, X for explode, enter. Actually I'm doing very fast, so let's go back. You need to understand. Okay, so click it, just click to select, and which is one whole rectangle. I'm pressing X from the keyboard and enter, so it's exploded, single pieces, Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna start with, because they want 3 sob, 3 line, which is in the baranda. So let's start with 3 line. So we're gonna choose this side is mehrab, and this side is the baranda, the entrance. Now the first thing, we're gonna go from the baranda. Okay, so if this one is baranda's outline wall, so we're gonna create a wall for 5 inch offset, enter, 5 which is actually after the finishing it's become 6. So let's make it 6. Enter. Click. So this is the 6-inch wall. Now we're gonna have 1 feet. Sometimes we put show boxes. Sometimes is if somebody stand up, they need some space, behind us, behind them. So let's say 1 feet offset. Enter. 12. Enter. So from this wall 1 feet inside. Now the same way gonna be on the both side. Offset. Enter. 6 for the wall, 6 for this wall, and then okay, so we're gonna make fillet. Enter. Radius. Enter. 0. Maybe it was select something else. Oh, I think I'm doing very fast. Okay, fillet. Enter. F. Enter. Mean fillet. Okay, from beginning. So F. Enter is for fillet. Radius. Enter. 0 is selected, but I'm gonna put again 0. Enter. Now I'm gonna click this line and this line, so the corner extra line get away. It's like trimming, but I love to do with fillet. So the same command, just press enter to repeat command. Click. Line is clear. Now we're gonna do 1 feet for inside. So offset. Enter. 12. Enter. Click and click. Now we're gonna do again here fillet, because enter. Radius we know is 0, so click. Enter. Click. So this is good. Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna draw the sob. The sob is minimum we have to do like 4.5 feet, and then 6 inch for the separation. So let's do it like 4.5 inch. Offset. Enter. 4 feet 6 inch. So 4 feet 6 inch, or you can make it like 4 multiple, like 4 times 12 for 48, and then 6 is 54, but 4 feet 6 inch is good. Enter. And click here, click there. Enter. Then offset. Enter. 6. Enter. Click. So if someone gonna stand here and make the sujood here, so this 6 inch going to be like divide between like two sobs, which is maybe we're gonna put some different color of carpet as the mosque we do, and then we need to make it like for 3 sobs. So I'm gonna select these 2 and CO for copy. Enter. Take this point and then click here, and then click here and press escape. So let's check if this one is correct. DLI for dimension line, dim line. Enter. Click here. 4 feet 6 inch. Click. Press enter. Click here. 4 feet 6 inch. Enter. Click here. Click there. Click here. 4 feet 6 inch. So select 3 of them. Delete. Now you have 3 sobs. Now what you're gonna do? You need 1 feet here, like how you have 1 feet everywhere, like this. Offset. Enter. 12. Enter. Click here. Click there. So the line is, we have the 1 feet line surrounded. So we're gonna make it fillet. Enter. This one with this one, and here. Enter. Click here. Click there. So now what happened? Okay, this one going to be the wall. So EX. Enter. Select this one. Oh, I need to actually not need. So EX. Enter. Click this one here and this one there, because it's 2021. It's directly go without selecting the boundary, and just take the corner out. TR. Enter. Select this line. Okay, TR. Enter. Again TR. Enter. Select this line. Wow, 21 is very very special. Do not need to make a lot of extra command. Okay, O, enter, 6, this 6 for wall, enter, O for offset, 6-inch offset. So we have 1 feet here, 1 sub here, second sub here, third sub here, and then we have another feet. So this 1 feet surrounded, we can use H so to, like, isolate, so we can see it easily. See this? So this 1 feet going to be clear, nobody gonna stand there to pray. I'm gonna select this one and delete it because it's gonna make look like heavy. Now let's see what's the dimension become from outline to outline, which is 18 feet. 18 feet, we can use the column maybe 10 by 12, which is good. Now the hard part is coming. Okay, so let's say we want 5 sub inside. Now if we can take this inside, will be helpful. So let's select this all, select this line, and we use this pick point and drop it on this pick point. So C, O, enter, click from inside, click there. So we have how many sub? 3. Now we need 2 more sub inside. That means there 40 feet is not enough. But as much I know, this place have more space, and let's make it a little bigger, and I'll discuss with him because they want 5 sub inside, according to 5 sub inside and 3 sub outside. Sorry if the light is too bright. It's a gaming monitor I'm using for my 3D work, so that's why. All right, so now 1, 2, 3 sub, and then 2 more sub. So I'm gonna select this 2, and I'm going to select press the command copy, enter, click from here to there, and press escape. Now this outline is gone. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need 1 feet on the outside, so I pressed like offset, and 12. I selected 12, enter. Now fillet, enter, this line and this line, this line and this line, and then we're gonna offset 6 inches, which is the wall, and then we're gonna fillet with the outline, this one and this one, this one and this one. So we're gonna extend this line until here. EX, enter. Okay. I'm gonna do it by dragging, click and click. Otherwise we need to select the boundary, we need to put another comma like letter. Now we need to see what is the dimension of inside. DLI, enter. So let's say this is the wall, and wall inside, and this is the wall inside, and what is the dimension? 27 feet, which is too much. Why too much? The material we are using in like countries in Asia, they have, like most of the architect, they do not go like beyond 23 feet. If you go beyond 23 feet, you need to use a different kind of like material, and they are extra enforced. So because my friend want 20 5 sub inside, and this is the 5 sub needed. Now what we can do with it, actually we can't do anything. Another thing, this wall we cannot make it 6 inch, we need to make it bigger. Why bigger? Because lot of load gonna be there, and the column gonna be bigger, and if this is, we keep it 6 inches, then the column gonna be like come out this way or that way. So we need to extend this way instead of what is called in the main mosque. So I'm selecting this, and stretch is, oh, my F8 is off, so F8 no, F8, oh god, F8 orthon. Okay, so let's do it from here. Selected. Yes. Okay, so now right now is 6. I'm gonna make it 12. So it's gonna be 6 more, and offset 6 this way. So now this wall is bigger than before. So we're gonna hide our column and make some beautiful windows so look better. Now let's take DLI, enter. From outline to outline is 18 feet 6 inch, and here is the outline to this outline, which is 28 feet 6 inch. Now let me take this out and draw 2 rectangle. D, enter. Let's use like 12 by 18. 12, enter. 18, enter. Enter. It was a little confusing, so I'm drawing another rectangle. REC, enter. Click. D, enter. 12, enter. 18. Oh, one of my enter is not working. Okay, 12, enter. Then 18, enter. Click. All right, now this one is 18 by 12. I'm rotating it, so it's going to be this way. Move. Okay, what is the middle line? Okay, so click here and click there. Oh, I took it in the wrong spot, sorry. Here, supposed to be here, and it's going to be 6 inch out, so it's gonna be aligned with the outline. So now this is the one, and let's make it a, actually I'm going to go to the layer manager, create a new layer, COLUMN, column, and then choose color like bright something, and let's hit refresh and close. So I'm gonna select it, go to the layer properties, select the color, which is this one. Yeah, not bad. Click here, copy, and or take from middle and put it there. Press escape, because you don't want to show this column from inside. It's gonna look little ugly and nobody want to see it. Okay, so now DLI, enter. Click here, click there, out, which is 28 feet. We can make it happen, but they're gonna need to use a lot of expensive materials, but we will discuss about it. Now I'm going to delete this one and bring this column I'm mirroring this column and bring it to the other side. Alright, so I mirrored the column, it's on the other side now. Now I'm going to draw a center line, so we're gonna know where is the center. It's just for temporary, we're gonna take it out later. Now how many gap, how many column we should use? So it's better if we use 6 of them, actually not 6, 5 or 7. So 1, 2. Okay, so now if we want to divide what is this in the space in between, so DLI, enter. Here is the middle, 57. Okay, so okay, this 2 is not that heavy. We can make this 12 by 12, so I'm just making it smaller, like 6 inches, and this one this way 6 inches. Okay, the same way this 2 column we can take it on the other side, which is so they're actually going to be displayed in the corner, but later when I'm going to make the minara will be changed. So this is 12 by 12. Get more space for the rod, and we're going to use the same on the center on here. So this space is actually this one also, it should make it 12, so I'm going 6 inches smaller. Six inches. Now what are you gonna do? Put a one column on the between these two. So the easy way, you can do it by measure, and you can do it like just draw a line between these two boxes and then copy this one and bring it on the center. But the column is now like you can see, but if you take the column out, it's gonna look better. Inside gonna look plain, so let's take it out. I mean 6 inches this way. This is how the designers actually work. Engineers, they're sitting down and they're picking on things so the designer can develop themselves. Anyway, so now I'm gonna copy this one middle to other side. MI, enter. This middle line gonna help us. Enter. So now this one is the outline is good. Now the gaps. Now if we divide from outline to outline, which is 61 feet. Alright, so we are going to place the column. Before that, we're going to divide the space. So let's say DLI, enter. These two columns, we're not going to move them. And what is the center we have? Okay, so this is 59, but we need to go to the center to center, which is going to be 60 feet, and we need to divide them in 1 2 3 4 5 gap, which is 12 feet. Now if we draw a line which is 12 feet, and then we take this one from the center and put it on the place in the center, and then mirror this one, and then we make it like stretch 6 inches out, which is gonna be our column a little bigger than before. The center line gonna be changed. So here you go. Now what we're gonna do, so this one is good. Okay, so I'm gonna click this one, check center to center, which is 12 feet. Now we need to copy this one to 12 feet. Hopefully the 18-inch moved along. Good. Now we're gonna bring this to M, enter, select this outline, so you can place on this outline, and it's set. Let's delete these things so clear, and then we're gonna mirror this to MI, enter, center line, click, enter. Okay, someone playing with metal upstairs, and you guys might listen this sound. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Alright, so this is good now. We place the column. Now we're gonna bring this column on the center line and see how it's look. So this one aligned together. We just select the 4, CO, enter, hold from center line, place on this center. So this column are good now, and we're gonna put this 12-inch column on to align with this, because we do not need very heavy column there. How are we gonna do that? The center line is aligning with center line, so I'm gonna click this one, copy, pick from this center and place on this center. So our beam going to be aligned with columns. Let's say if we draw a line from center to this center and to this center is aligned. Okay, now we do not need this central line anymore. Just select it, delete it, and we can delete this one, but we can keep it for dimension. So because we don't want to use a column inside, that's why they want 5 sub, and that's the reason we put like heavy column. Okay, so now thinking about what to do. Let's clear the inside of the columns and it's gonna look better. So trim, TR, enter, select the, oh god. Now let's lock the column layer. Column is open, make it locked, so it's, you can't like trim it. TR, enter. You do not need to like select or click and enter. Now it's different now. In 2021 they updated. Some drafter like who working from like, you know, older persons, they will be very pissed about it. Excuse my language. Okay. Okay, you work this way, but I don't know if it is work this way. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so we cleaned up inside, everything good looks now. Here is one thing, you see, this 6 inches we do not need, because this 6 inches only for the separation. So what we're gonna do, take out this line, delete, and unlock the column, otherwise it's gonna stay there. Unlock the column, and we saved 6 inches. Okay, it's good, because 28 I'm scared. 6. So DLI, enter, click, it's 4 feet 6 inches. This is good. DLI, center line to center line, which is 27 feet 6 inches. I think we can talk to an like engineer and an architect, and hopefully we can like work it out. So like we can choose, we are designer, we can choose the rod also, but it need to be signed by an architect. So better if I'll talk to my friend and explain him to take it to an architect for the estimation and the rod, what kind of rod they want to use inside this column. Other I think we good. Now we need to cut out some windows, which is we're gonna do like start from here. Let's check this way our column is in the center or not. So this one is 13 feet 6 inches, enter. 14 feet, which is not good. This one 17 feet 6 inches, so the center one is not on the right spot. Yeah, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose only this area, and the difference is how much? I think 3 inches. So S, enter, stretch and bring 3 inches down, and see 13 feet 9 inches both side, and we're good. So 13.9 and 17.6, because they want 3. So the kids going to be actually learn the beginning of Islam, Arabic and some other the education at morning on this area. So this area we need actually 3 sub as they asked. Another thing I just realized, we do not need this 6 inches, so take it out and push this 6 inches. So DLI here to there, 4 feet 6 inches. Now what is our overall size? DLI outline to outline is 45 feet 6 inches and 60 feet. Now it's going to be more than 45 because when you make this mihrab, so I'm going to delete, actually not delete, supposed to bring it on this side. Let's see if we can make it. Select it, MI, enter. This is the center line, we need to select, or how are you gonna do it? This one is not center, so let's take it, mirror it somewhere, and then we're gonna bring it by manually. So select it, move, enter. Oh, it's not giving us this first point. Okay, let's delete it. So let's delete this one. I'm gonna delete this one too. After everything we will put the dimension. Okay, so now we need to make sure what's the different distance between this column. 10 feet 6 inch mihrab is not bad. Now we're gonna draw a line from the center, gonna get out like let's say total going to be 10 feet is too much and 8 feet is not going to be enough. I'm gonna go with 10 feet, and there's the maximum, which is Imam going to stand here, and this is the area he need like 5 feet, and then he need a little bit space to he come out, he walk this way and stand here for the khutbah, which is like he needs some space. Okay, so we're gonna draw another line from here. Now if we make this line, or if we make this wall here, then the mihrab gonna get more space. So let's draw a line like 5 feet, mirror it to the other side. No, before mirror we can make it like offset 6 inches. Then select both of them, mirror other side, A, enter, click, click, and click. I'm drawing a arc, offset 6, which is gonna go there. Then fillet, radius 0, enter, click, click, enter, click, click, and we're good. So now we're gonna draw a musalla for Imam. So we're gonna see how much space left. REC, enter, click, D, enter. Most of the musalla is like 1 feet to 3 feet, so 36, enter, or let's say 4 feet 6 inches, which is 54. So I'm gonna go with 4 feet 6 inch, enter, click. Okay, so now we're gonna make little corner is little around, fillet, enter, radius, enter, 6, enter, click, click, enter, click, click. It's not look like musalla. Okay, fillet, enter, radius, enter, make it, enter, click, click, and then bring it here. So this is the musalla, and let's see how much space left from here to the column, so you can stand here. 3 feet is not bad, it's enough. Okay, so there are not going to be any wall. I'm going to take it out, and what we'll do now, so Imam going to stand here. There are too much space in front of him, and there are going to be a place actually for azan. So I think this, if we push this round like 1 feet inside, we can. So select it, S for stretch, enter, push it like 12 inch inside. So the mihrab is now 9 feet actually, outside to outside. DLI, enter, see what is this, like from middle to there. It's like 9 feet 6 inch, which is not bad. Now we need a little bit like a stair here. What you're gonna do, we're gonna like poly edit these two lines, put together, or let's make join them. J, enter, click, click, enter. Let's see, join, yes. So now offset for like 18 inch, just to Imam walk 18, actually gonna be very small for him. Offset 6 more, and take out the center line. This is look good. Now if he start walking this way, take the stair, 2 feet. Okay, let's make this place for him to stand. Now we're going to draw a line a little bit from here to there. From the musalla, we're gonna take a line here, fillet the line, no, trim, wow, you don't need to select trim, just trim is working. I'm working on 2021 for first time, so a few things is new for me too. Okay, now let's take out this one for now. So this is the place Imam going to stand. I'm going to make a little round for him. So okay, offset 5, which is here, and DLI, let's see how much left. Oh, it's 3 feet 4 inches, good enough. So take out this line, click, bring it here, and make a little round from the center. I'm gonna go like 9 inches, because if I go more, it's gonna be touchy. A, enter, click, click, and click. Then take out this from inside, and okay, and this one going to be little like the space he can stand, so at least he need 3 feet, and bring it here. TR, enter, just click and delete. Okay, so this space maybe he can put his microphone and other stuff, and this place he gonna stand for khutbah, and I'm gonna make like very nice like 2 stair. 2 to 3 is good, but 3 is gonna be 18 inch. Yeah, 3 is good. Okay. Now what you're gonna do? Oh, you're gonna offset this round. No, I'm not gonna offset this. Let's go this way, like 10, and then 1. Actually, you can offset this 10, enter, 1, 2, and then let's make this one round a little bit. So offset, let's go throw, T, enter. So click here and then click here. Now we do not actually need to do that. We need to draw a line which is this one, extend here, then make it 6 more inches, and then draw a line from here to, press F8. This is good. TR, enter. Okay, so Imam come this way, get this 3 step, which is gonna be 18 inch higher than the ground, and you're gonna make this corner a little round, otherwise you're gonna get hard. So let's say 3 inches. Yeah. Okay, look good. So Imam gonna come this way, come here and stand here. Now yeah, this is good. We do not need to do anything on this side anymore. Okay, this space for Imam now, but when I'm gonna do the whole shop drawing, it's gonna be more detail, and you know, a lot of details going to be there. Okay, what else? The mihrab is good now. Okay, let's see if the masala is in the center. Yes, it is in the center. What else? This is good. I need a few seconds to take a look. Okay, if you want to check your email, like text message or anything, or Facebook for a minute, please take it. Okay, let me check. I think we're good. We can place dimensions now. Before dimension, actually we need to window cut, so let's start with here. L, enter. This is the center line, I believe. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna draw a like offset how big the window we want. So the community I am drawing for, they're going to like open, they're going to use sliding window. So if it is a sliding window, probably they're gonna make it like 4 feet. So let's make it 2 feet both side, and that's it. Yeah, 2 feet, enter, click and click. The space is too big and the window is too small, so we're gonna make it little, actually instead of 4 feet, make it 6 feet, make it 1 feet bigger. Offset, enter, 12, enter, click and click. So now this window is 6 feet. It is a little bigger, but maybe they like it, maybe not, we'll see. So trim, this one gone, this one gone. Actually, here you go. So now REC, enter, D, enter. The wall is 6 inches, so I'm gonna press type 6, enter, and this way I'm gonna make it 2 inches too bigger, 1.5 is too smaller, make it 2. So this is the frame going to be. Trim, enter, take out this one, and then we're gonna offset this one like 0.25, which is like the thickness. It's not, not going to be 1/4 inch, I know, you know, but just for formality to make a like a frame. And here you go, on the center gonna be D, enter, 0.25, and 2 inch gonna be 1.75. okay, trim, and let's join them. J, enter, select all of them. Let's see, join, yes. I'm gonna take it from the middle to there, make this one. So let's click on the layer, create a new layer, say wall, make it color like maybe light blue, okay, and then create another layer, make the name is windows, click, make it color like little reddy, okay, and close. So now these are walls, right? Wall, wall, my mouse making noise like tut 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 when I pan it. Okay, for now all the walls selected, am I right? Yes. Click here, click on the wall, so you press escape and you're good. Now click on the window, go there, select on the, click on the window, select on the window and press escape. So your frame is ready, but it's touchy because the one line below it, it's not going to show on the printout. Okay, so make it mirror anywhere, then bring it from the center and place it on the center. Is this one is not in the center? I think no. Okay, so we need to stretch this, so stretch this one, stretch 0.125, which is 1/8 of inch, and then try DLI, which is dimension style, and dim liner. So it's 3. It's actually better, we're gonna check just like this, and just not drawing a line, just check it. Okay, good. And let's delete this one because we fixed this one. Mirror it, take it anywhere, select it, move it there. Before that, I'm gonna match properties this line. So match properties command is MA, enter, click and click, enter. Select this one, move, click and click. So now we're gonna draw a frame in the center. So we need a line L, enter, here to there. You're gonna need to draw one window, this all trouble, and then we good. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a frame on the center. Actually not frame, it's going to be our window matching, meeting with each other. So the center line we required, and the center line going to be, let's see how much the depth. So from here to there, inch and oh, okay. So click on the format, go to the unit, make it architectural, and then make precision like 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch. Why 1/8 inch? Because of the window actually, otherwise we do not need it, but I'm gonna keep it 1/8 inch. Okay, click OK, and then go to the dimension style, modify, engineering gonna be architectural, and it's gonna be 1/8 inch, and OK, and set current and close. So 1.75 inch. Now we're good. So it is this going to be 1.75 inch inside, the it's gonna come out 1.75 inch. So let's say this frame going to be at least, let's say 3 inches. So the middle frame gonna be 3 inches. So offset okay, 1.5 here to there, here to there, and then we're gonna make REC, enter, click D, enter. So it's going to be little smaller than the frame, which is the inside to inside, like from here to there is 1.75 inch. No, I think I'm wrong. So escape, DLI, enter, here to there is 2 5/8. So I'm gonna draw the box like 2 inch by 3 inches. REC, enter, click D, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. So the frame going to be like this, and this frame need to be a little bit round from the corner. 0.125 is gonna be too much, maybe. Let's try. Not that too much. Gonna work. And we need to place for the glass. REC, enter, click D, enter. Oh, glass going to be 1 inch thick. So let's say yeah, supposed to be 1 inch, but maybe they wanna use single glass. If they use single glass, it's not going to be 1 inch thick. So make it like 1/2 inch, 0.5, enter, 0.5. REC, enter, click D, enter, 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter, click, select it, move it here, and then it's actually 1/2 inch this way is not enough. So 1/2 inch is not enough, make it 3/4. Click here, drag this way 0.25, enter. And I'm gonna trim it here, and then going to fillet radius 0.03125, which is 1/16 inch, enter, click, yeah. So click this one, move it from here to there, and okay, bring it a little bit out, like 0.03125. I'm going to draw a center line from here to there on the center and trim it out. So what will happen, we're gonna get the center line, MI, enter, select this midpoint, bring it here. So if this one is the center line, it's supposed to be this frame gonna sit on the center of this one. So click here, bring it here, and then take everything out, because this is what we need, and we got it. So this is a frame. I'm gonna draw a glass which is a rectangle from here to there. Okay, give a color of the glass. So we need what? Match properties with this frame. Gonna match with this one and this one. Now glass. Gonna go to the layer, create a new layer which is glass, make it color like light green, which is some mosque, the light green color. And now select the glass, go to layers, click glass, and we good, right? Now this is a frame, this is a panel. MI, enter, bring it there, select M for move, bring it here. So these are the panels, they're matching in between, and they're gonna be something, they're going to catch each other. So let's make it from the center. I'm going to draw from the center, then I will move it. Click here, then click here, and actually we need to draw a polyline. It's better. So let's draw for single line. Okay, it's not actually straight because of this one in the end. So I'm going to push it for move 0.03125, which is 1/16 of inch. Now it is a line. So draw a line here, and then PL, enter, select, click the center, come this way like 0.75, which is 3/4 of inch. Take out this line and then offset this one 0.125, which is 1/8 of inch. Fillet radius 0.03125, enter. This one going to fillet a little bigger, fillet radius 0.125, enter. Actually 1/16 of inch, this one. So let's take this one out, offset 1/8 of inch. Okay, so this one is good. Now I'm gonna put a small arc from the front of this line. Okay, F8, which is this one. Join. So this one joined. F8, make it straight. So make it mirror. Actually make it mirror other way. This way, and then make it mirror other way. So, and actually put a line there just for now to take it on the middle. Here the midpoint, take this midpoint, select from right to left. Okay, another line just to take the point, move from here to the middle, right to left. Okay, now this one going to come this way and this one going to go that way. So here is coming, how much supposed to be 0.5 for now. This one gonna go 0.5 for now. It's actually good. 0.5 is, they're gonna catch each other very well. So make this trim out this line, and then join them together. J, enter, join, match properties, this one with this one. So this is the frame, and they're gonna be a line actually from here to there. Another line going to be here to there. So another line going to be in the center, which is gonna be like very light, these three line. So to make them light, actually I need to clean this up. So trim here, trim there, enter, select from right to left, delete. I'm talking very low, I don't know why, maybe my battery is low. Alright, so very good. Yeah, I'm going to select these three line, make them windows, and make the color is light. Windows, color, can make it light, go there, and so it was like kind of this red. If we go to the color, true color, can make it very light like this, like pink. So that's our window line, and inside the window line, this is how the window going to be. Okay, handle gonna fit, yeah, hopefully. Now we're gonna make this window and the frame and everything. Selecting, I could select, but there is a line underneath, could select everything together, but no, that's why one by one. Move like 5 feet. Why 5 feet? So we can take it back 5 feet again. So now this whole window thing, I click and make it as a block, B, enter. Now the block name is going to be window, and okay. So how much will we bring out? 5 feet. 5. Select, move command, click 5 feet, enter, and then select this one. Can't do mirror. If you do mirror, this thing gonna go mirror, but that's the easy way to take it. But then we're gonna mirror it again. MI, enter, select here to there, and then we mirror this one on the spot from center to center. So it's going to be this panel out, this panel in, this panel out, the same way. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so trim the extra line, which is this one, but it's not going to trim look like. So I'm gonna draw a line here, which is gonna go this way, and draw another line on the other side. On this point, sometime you can draw XL also, the longest line. Trim, enter. So yeah, from right to left, clean it up. Why not left? Oh, I mean right to left. Yeah, it's cleaning up. Alright, so these two windows set, and now we're gonna take the same window to the other side. How we're gonna take it? Let's take it from, if we take from center of this column, it's not gonna sit there, but if we take from outline and put it on the there, okay, I think I have an idea. CO, enter. Let's take it from here and place it there. It's gonna sit properly. Yes. Now I'm gonna trim, TR, enter, here, I'm glad AutoCAD come out with this idea. It's very fast and helpful. Okay, I lost my line. Okay, this one was cleaned before, but now I'm cleaning again. Okay, we're good there. What about here? We're good here, and we're good here. Okay, so the 4 windows set. Now we're gonna bring some windows here. Okay, let's take this 2, but it's going to set on the center. Now we need to make a center point first, then bring it. How gonna bring it? We're gonna select from center of this one. Yeah, makes sense. Alright, so L, enter. Let's say this is the center line. Select this one, copy. Where is the center? Here is the center. Bring it here, click here. Select this one, delete. Trim, enter. Okay, one side. This is the another side, and now this one gonna go to the other side of the building. So copy, select from here and leave here. TR, enter. Take it out. Take it out. So this wall get cut off, and 6 windows on the both side. On the front side, the Qibla side, we do not need window. Actually, some people, they put a lot of beautiful things on the Qibla side. You're supposed not to, because while people are praying, they get distracted. All right. Now this both side is good. Now the entrance. So on the entrance we have 11 feet in between. If we make a door 11 feet, which is going to be 2 in the center and a frame on the outline, so I think the whole space we need. Take out this wall and we'll make an arc here. Actually, another door going to be here. This door not going to be like this door. This one actually going to be just a grill door, so you can see the kids, if the children inside, you can see them easily. This door going to be a beautiful door, so we will do it later, not for now. Just I'm mentioning. And this whole thing going to be grill, not going to be, I mean, the air and rain can go in and get out. Otherwise going to be hard for children. So this wall, actually we need the wall, and then we're gonna draw something later. Leave the wall there. So here is the door, and let's work on this door. Delete, L, enter, center to center, offset. So let's say each door, if we make 3 feet, one person can go in, but not another person can come out. So 3 feet is enough for double door. So 3 feet both side, and good, and going to be a frame and everything on the side. So let's start with a woodall door, D, enter, which is going to be 2-inch thick on the side, and gonna be 12 inch. It's gonna be too much, but otherwise it's not gonna look beautiful, so make it 12. I just mirror it. Okay, so let's bring this one, copy from here to there, and then take this one on the other side. Actually copy this one from here to there. So we have our two frames, like this one gonna be, both of them gonna be fixed with glass so you can see in and out, and then we are going to use the panel. Alrighty. .5 offset like 1 inch, and take out the center, clean up this. So it's gonna be one piece of wood here and then two small pieces of wood on the both side, and this thing going to be copy, bring it here, draw line, draw another line, and then join them together, bring them to the other side, which is, I'm gonna take it from this corner, click, take it from the other side here. So now this one going to be fixed easily. We're gonna like install it from inside, so we're gonna take this corner and this corner out, put the glass in and put it back, and like attach them with the door frame. But here's the opening part. Now I'm going to mirror these two. Okay, hopefully see it properly. Yes, so it's going to be a frame of like a frame, but it's a glass. 125. 125 is gonna be a little extra small. No, it's good. Okay, and I'm gonna actually make them on the window layer. I don't want to make too many layers right now. Windows, and MA, enter, match properties here. So now we're gonna mirror this one, but before mirror, let's draw a line so you can be, okay, this one is glass actually, so let's say glass, enter. It's not going to be glass, it's going to be wood, maybe glass, who knows, it's depend on the client. So let's say DLI, how much the space, how much the size of this one. 1 feet 10 inch is good because it's gonna be a lot of decoration in them. Okay, so now what we need to move this one out, put this one on the other side, and the door. So REC, enter, click here to click there. It's too big, I'm gonna make it smaller, don't worry. So make it 2 inches. Okay, Oh god, stop making noise, guys. Okay. We are going to work on the main door now. So let's bring it a little closer. It's just too far. Select both of them. Move from here to there. And gonna make some space, like maybe 116. Move 0.03125. And the gap gonna be both way, 0.03125. Enter. Point 0.03125. Now this door, let's say this one right side gonna open all the time, this one going to be stand most of the time. So this one needs space to sit on that one. So how it's gonna work? Normally the way people do from long time, which is they use something like this. So let's bring this one. Okay, so what I did, I just bring it copy here, and then I'm mirroring it. Yes, and move, and here. So take it from middle and there. It's almost like this, but it's not look good. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna draw a circle. Not circle, actually ellipse will be better, but will be different problem. So let's say make a rectangle which is let's say 1.5 inch by 1 inch, and make an arc which is it's too big, bring it down a little bit like this, and trim this. There are so many different ways we can do it, but this is the way these people normally people do, and which is not look good at all. Why we gonna follow them? Let's they follow us. So delete this one, make this frame go stretch this way like half an inch, 0.5, and then this one gonna go this way, 0.5. Enter. Now this one going to be on this side, make a line on the center, this frame need to stop there. Bring it 0.03125. This one 0.03125, and this one 0.03125. Fillet. let's take out this one. So this is the door frame gonna play and sit, but okay, let's mirror this one and mirror the other way, and then take it from here to there. I'm just aligning this by drawing some extra line for help, and here we go. So let's say this one gonna stay, this will open and close. Let's see if this one can open and close easily, like without touching the frame. RO, enter, select this one, play from here, press F8. So let's say this coming this way, this way, this way, this way, and without touching it, it's going without touching, but this face need to be little shorter. So the face need to be little shorter, which is I can short the door both side. So let's say this one gonna go this way. Oh, F8, 0.03125, and this one gonna go 0.03125. I think this is good now, and we need to fix this one because we pushed the whole frame. Bring it out 0.125. 125 going to be let's touch the frame. Okay, so this one, let's draw a small rectangle, no dimension required. Fillet radius 0.125 and fillet both outside. Actually 125 is not enough. Fillet radius 0.25 is also not gonna enough. 0.75 gonna be good. 0.75, enter, here, there, enter, here, there. It's a little bigger. Let's bring it a little bit down. Yes, I'm actually making a handle. Hold it, put it there, and bring it like, yeah, 4 inches is good. And it's too big? No, it's good. And L, bring it here, and bring it there, and bring it there. Now fillet them. Fillet radius 0.25, enter. Join. Offset 0.25. Okay, actually this frame is look like this one is too big. I'm gonna push it inside, hold it from this corner to there, and bring this one, click here, there, click here, there, extend this line, extend, EX, just click on the line. Wow. Make a small what is called arc. So KF8, fillet radius 0.0. 625, enter, which is 1/8 of 116. Okay. Yeah, join them together, so this frame is good. Actually, if I take this one out, how it's gonna look? Look good. No, join them together, trim, mirror this, F8, and mirror this one. So now it's look good, look not bad. I'm gonna change the color handle. Alright, okay, so that's it for the handle. Is good, door is good. Now about the Minar. So Minar, I'm going to draw on this corner for now. If they don't like it, they'll let me know and we will go from there. So let's draw a line inside this column, make a polygon, POL, enter. 6 side is kind of okay, but 8 side is better, so 8, enter, center, make it circular. Okay, offset 3 feet, which is gonna be clear, and then offset 10, which is gonna be there. Now we're gonna take out this extra, click, enter, take out this 2 line and clear the wall, which one touching the column, trim, take this one out and fillet radius 0. This one gonna match with this one and this one gonna match with this one. Same way here, match and match. This one 6 inch, this one 10 inch, so it can hide the column, and maybe when we go upstairs we're gonna make it a different wall, but for now we need to show like this. Alrighty, what else? Now the stair going to start at least like 1 step inside, otherwise people gonna get hurt. But there is a chance, there is a wall, so people not gonna get hurt. Click here, extend, here is extend. Let's make a circle, actually keep a circle inside this one, so anytime we need a center point we can get it easily. Alright, this is the one going to be come around, so AR, enter. We're gonna choose polar array, polar, and then asking for take a center, so here's the center, and then we're gonna go there. Item is 6, we need 10 step to go up, but the 10 step need to stop before it's gonna get out. Actually not 10, we need 20. So all together we're gonna take out 1/4. So what is the 3/4 of 20? Let's say from 30, if we take 1/4, from 40 if we can take 1/4, 30 left. 30 is too many. 6, 8, 24. Let's make 24 for now, 24, and then click somewhere, close array. Let's see, explode it so we can delete these extra lines. Now we start from here, flight, and go upstairs there. How many flight become? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 gonna be 9 feet if we put it like 6 inches. So we need one more because it's gonna be 10 feet height. Now we put, I'm going back, control, actually yeah, I need to go back, control Z. So click on, no, before explode, control Z. 1 2 3 4 5 gonna go and it's gonna stay. So click here, make it 30, yeah, 29 actually, 29, close the array and see how many is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. If make it 20 here, what will happen? The slab need to get out. Slab getting out is not a bad idea and not that good idea too. So it's too much. Click, make it 20, 27, enter. Okay, for 27 how many? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 20 is good, so I think we are in the right spot now. Yeah, if somehow we can manage this one gonna go there, it's going to be better. Let's see if I can mirror it. Make it yes, because we can start anywhere from here, anywhere, the stair. Yes, we can. No, actually keep it this way, So 27, we good. Explode it. After explode you can't just change and click and change. Here you go. Now clean up the extra lines. Oh, sometimes people want to make it round. Round making is more like harder than making like octagon, because octagon you can make it easily. 8 pieces of wood you need to cut in certain shape and put it together, and circle is a complete different like story. Okay, I'm gonna take this circular, I do not need anymore, and I'm gonna extend those lines. So I'm gonna touch all of the closest boundary. Okay. Now the stair gonna start from here. I'm gonna be end there. I'm going to draw a line here, so it's gonna look like the slab is finished there. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. 21 of them, when the machine gonna work, they will figure it out. More like how to make the last step. Maybe slab gonna come up, or maybe rod gonna go from the stair. Okay, stair is good. And now column. So the Minar need very like heavy weight, heavy weight holding columns, and they need to be very like strong from the ground. Otherwise it's not going to, it's gonna be shake when the wind is going to be too like a little bit windy. Wind can like shake it. So when we're gonna make this column to this column, grade beam gonna be continue. The rod for the stair, they can put it there, insert there. Now we do not need a column here, we need a column on this corner, this, and this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 of them. And these columns not going to be straight, not going to be round, it's going to be a little crazy. So let's do it. Okay, so let's make a column. Let's make a line here and like make a line there, and make this one offset like 6, not 6, 6 is going to be too big. Offset like 5, and now it's going to be offset this way. I'm just deleting this one. I'm creating a polyline, creating something with polyline. Close. I'm deleting this one. Now I have this. Now I'm gonna mirror it, bring it here. Mirror, click here, F8, see. So let's see the outline. DLI, enter from here. Oh, it's going to be a line. So Dimali, I'm just clicking it, bring it here. So it's 1 feet 4 inches, and what is the inside to inside is 9 inches. So they can make this column this way, otherwise they need to do a lot of hard brick works. So making column this way gonna be better than brick works, because they're gonna put just a piece of wood here, piece of wood there, and they can make this shape on the ground and then stand it up. But 1 feet 4 inch is too big. It's too big. Now what we can do, let's think about this, but there is another problem gonna come up. This column, the rod going to be placed like a circular way. So let's make a circle inside, which is gonna be 5 inch, then gonna 10 inch, and it's like a 10 inch column. Okay, they can place the rod, yeah, a little bigger actually, bigger than normal. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring this one like, okay, F8 is off, so bring it like, if we bring 1 inch, the inside gonna be 7. So let's make actually 0.75, like 3/4 inch. Mirror, I'm going to need, press F8, enter, click here. Actually you can click there properly and enter, it's going to be there. So let's say dim angle, which is 7, is not good, but let's see if as a circle, if I put 5, it's still like 10 inch dia, 10 inch dia column. I think this is good. Now we need to take out this line, trim, line gone, this one join with this one, here you go. select as a column, and then we are going to make array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 AR, enter, polar. Oh, I need to take the center line, so I need to draw a line here. AR, enter, select this one, enter, polar, center, and that's it. Let's click again, make it, instead of 6, how many should make? 8, tab, enter. Okay, now click this one, explode, delete this two, and here's your column, and you need this one too, so this one gonna go all the way up, and it's going to like the stair are going to touch this one in a different way, which is like work like a column, like a, not column, like beam, like certain place gonna be like lintel. So let's leave it like this for now, and here is our Minar. So I do not need this one anymore, delete, and need to make it, actually instead of window make it grill. I'm deleting this window, everything we have there. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, gonna make it a straight line, trim EX, extend, trim, take this one out, extend this one there. Yeah, this is good. So actually there are no walls, so I'm gonna take this out, trim, take this out, and here you go. Alright, so REC, enter, click, and click. No, it's actually not become. So let's make a line here for like 2, enter, and then make a rectangle from inner corner to outer of other column, and from right to left, left to right, to select the smaller thing, line, mirror both of them. So here is the grill and this one. I want to take it out. Oh no, trim, take out this, select this one, delete. So let's make this one grill is, keep it on the 0 layer and just make the color different, like dark gray now, light yellow now. Let's see what color we can choose. What about magenta? Oh, it's not able to see. Okay, make it like dark green. Yeah, actually this side gonna be, instead of open, if we put a window, what will happen? We can keep a window there, but it's not gonna look much good. So take out the window, put grill, and just mirror it. Now I'm gonna rotate it, then move it from here to there, and then stretch it from this corner to this corner. The other side going to be touch here. Okay, so trim it, and we're good. But yeah, if we make it there, then what will happen? The inside will be bigger and look more suspicious. So bring it here. This one also, bring it here. It's gonna look good. Okay, so this is all the way grill, stair. I need to call them out so they will understand. And place all the dimension. Need to show a Cassie gate there. I'm just creating a rectangle which is like 2, enter 2, and then making another rectangle 0.25, enter 6, enter. I'm going to rotate it 90 degree, bring it on the corner, and rotate it like according to the just educational guess, like this much. And mirror this one. Just cleaning up. I'm mirroring this one and it's too big, so I'm gonna push it this way like 1, which is 1 inch. Now it's still too much, but yeah, actually we need 1 inch. So trim, click, oh no, select this 2. I'm still working like old AutoCAD 2020. Trim, trim and trim. So this is good now, and I'm going to keep this way. Excuse me. Mirror it, and then take these two together, mirror, mirror again, mirror again. Okay, so let's make it from here to there. Now let's see where is the center. Here is the center. Let's see if this one come on the other side gonna be enough or not. Not enough. So from center, let's make this line extend a little bit so we know where is the center. We select this whole thing and bring it back, I moved it, and let's push it back. You know, it's just temporary to understand there is this thing going to be. Here's the cascade, and we need a handle. For handle, actually we just can make something like this. These people smart, they will understand. So this is the cascade, and I'm going to take out this one. Cascade must be in the center, so it's gonna look better, or we can put it on the outside if we need. We'll see. For now this is good. I'm gonna save. Actually from beginning I never saved. It's supposed to be saved. My computer is very powerful, so it's not crashing. Control S. First time I saved. Okay, so what we did is good. Now I'm going to put the dimension all over and call few things out, and it's going to be done. So dimension. Now for dimension, let's make a layer for dimension. Just call it dim line. Just dim is enough, or DLI. DLI, make a different color so you can see it easily. Let's make it a I don't want to make it like column. This one gonna be little good. This color is very orangey. DLI, enter. From outline to outline. Oh, I don't want to put dimension there, but I think I don't have a choice because this side is more difficult. DLI, enter. Outline to outline. It is 61 feet. Now I need to work on this one. So D, enter. Modify. Come on. Line. So extend beyond dim line 316. Make it like 716. Offset from origin 1. Like make it 516. Yeah, little gap, but still need more. Still touchy. Make it 1 inch. Really? 1 inch? Wow, still look. Okay, let's change the line type. So line type, we need to go to the other and load, make it triple dotted. Select this one, go to the DLI, then go to the line type, which is this. So it's gonna be easy to understand. Okay, another thing, DLI center to the center, which is 12. Center of this one to center of this one is 12, but I think they're gonna get confused. They do not need column dimension for now. What you're gonna do, just outline to outline, yes, and they might want to know this in between how much. So let's put DLI clearance from here to there is 10 feet 6 inches, and now they want to know inside to inside from here to here. If we place it there, what about now? Make it very light, like gray. Yeah. Yeah, kind of good. 10 feet 6 inch inside to inside, and there 8 feet 6 inch clear. And DLI, this one gonna be 4 feet 4 inch. Match properties, 4 feet 4 inch. So they will understand. This is the stair, like stair from this way, so the imam can stand here. Let me see this way how much space he got from here to there. 3 feet. 3 feet is enough to stand. Okay. Now dimension from the side, DLI from outline to this outline is 45 feet, and mihrab is 9 feet. I'm stretching it little inside, so I look both sides similar, this one and this one. So here you go. And one more thing I never checked, how much is the sub to sub. So it's 57 feet, not bad. 57 feet. Hey Siri, 57 divided by 1.5.
57 divided divided by 1.5 is 38.
So per sob can stand hopefully 38%, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 8 sobs, so like almost 260-70 people can stand there, I mean pray together, so good enough. I think more than good enough. Too much space. This 5 sob never gonna fill up easily. Okay, what else? Now on this side I need to show the mihrab and this one together. So make it DLI, enter. Actually it's going to be, yeah, they should know altogether how much. Okay, and now they do not want to know the dimension, but at least they want to know like how much distance from each other. So from here to there, like 1 feet 8.5. Then we're gonna go this one, dim a line, then enter. I'm making all the like corner one fast, then used like regular dim liner, which is DLI, and here you go. Bring it little inside. No, not necessary. DLI, yeah, this is good. So this is the dimensions we need for the column, and I think we're good. We can go from this way and we can go from that way. So what we prefer go this way. So, yeah, this way is gonna be better. I'm going to draw a line, make an arrow, F8, move from here to there. I'm going to mirror this one and holding F8, click enter. So this is the first time I think I'm typing text. So up, Control A, Control Shift U, Control Shift U for make it small letter to capital letter. Alright, make a different color. Let's say dark blue. Up, so they're gonna know. And let's make the stair color is different, because if they print it on the color printer, then they're not gonna think, okay, this is messed up. So what color I supposed to choose for this one? Let's go to the more color and make it kind of beige. Okay, wall color needs to be changed for the stair. Yeah, I did not clean it up, but keep it. And this is going to be I think I need to take this one in or out. Little in is better, because otherwise this one look crazy. I'm taking all of them a little bit inside because it do not need to be too much out. This one, nah, keep it this way. So if they want to know the main mosque dimension, here's the main mosque here and there. And if they want to know how much is this one, I'm just going to make it a little bit like both way, like 6. Let's see if they work. Yeah, 6 working. This one also this way, like 6. So they're not gonna think this is a one line. This is 2 different line. Okay, I think this is good. Just need to show the entrance. This is 11 feet. And now the whole dimension, which is DLI, enter. I'm going to put center to center, which is match properties 27 feet 5 inches, and DLI from this center to this column center is 17 feet MA for match properties. So this one, these 2 lines, they will understand like how much the distance between these gaps. I'm going to type some dimensions inside. So let's say text BERA and DA. I'm just typing 40 feet minus 0 inch by 17 feet minus 0 inch. Control A, make it on the center, and good. So now I'm going to calculate, like measure DLI, enter. So the measurement going to be actually column to column, because this is the clarity. So it's 59 feet. So I'm gonna put this 42 59 and delete this one. DLI from this column to actually here outside. It's 16 feet 10 inch, but make it 16 feet. DLI, if they measure column to column, 16. (16) 59 feet by 16 feet. And copy this one inside somewhere, and call main SQUE, Control A, Control Shift U. So this is the main mosque. Now I need to show the dimension for these two, so where I can show and they can easily understand. So let's show them on around here. DLI, so it's going to be from column to here, it's going to be 1 feet, so they need to understand this. When I'm saying they sound like alien but they mean like the client. Match properties, so 4 feet 6 inches, DLI, measuring this to this point, actually 6 inches. So now they understand. So 1 feet is here, 4 feet 6 inches the sob, and the 6 inches the separator. So we good. What else they might need to understand? Maybe the window dimension, right? So DLI, window 1.2, another, go out, put it there, match properties, so they will understand the window dimension, all over same. Now just need to call out, this is the grill cascade. So let's go to the leader, click, and then click again, go to the properties, make the arrowhead is like 2 inches, and make this leg a little longer so look better. If you want to make them like this, you can. It's gonna be very small. See if I can make it 2. I try to make it 2 inches. I don't know why it's not being 2 inches. So look like 2. Make it 5. Actually it is supposed to be 5. Match properties. Okay, so this is the one, is cascade, here is the grill, here is cascade. Okay, here is main door. I don't want to call the main door, they will understand. They'll understand, yes, hopefully. So okay, main mosque dimension, so 59 is correct, and what is not correct, this one is not correct. So this one going to be 27 feet. Okay, DLI, column to column, going to be 26 feet 6 inches. Okay, what else? I think we good. Now we can create PDF. So Control S for save. Control P for printing. So the way in AutoCAD you know how to create PDF, but if you are new here, then please follow the steps. So first you select the printer. So there is no printer, it's going to be DWG to PDF. PC3 is standard. Select 36 by 48 display windows and select like this. Click here to there. Make it in the middle and support style is make it 100% screening, so the color will be stay. Display as displayed. Now make it realistic, quality maximum, and preview. So how it's look like goody. One thing, this one look little different. Why? Let's just press escape and apply to layout and then cancel. What happened to you? Actually it was good. Control P. Now it's saved, so we just click OK. Now we're gonna select my D drive, AutoCAD 2021, Mosque plan, PDF, save. Just creating the PDF, gonna take a few seconds because of the fast time, I believe. Let's see, yeah, fast time. Oh. Take time to show up. Why is like this? I'm going to my D drive and let's see the Mosque plan. I do not have a PDF player, I mean reader yet. You need to download one. Okay. Let's see if it is clear. I'm gonna come back, close this one, and I think we're good. So save it, and thank you for watching. I'm feeling tired. Goodbye for now.